there is nothing impossible to him who will try. I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep. I am afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion. When we give someone our time, we actually give a portion of our life that we will never take back. My treasure lies in my friends. Remember, upon the conduct of each depends the fate of all. There cannot be two suns in heaven and two rulers on earth. Much is expected from that to whom much is given. What medicine does not heal, iron heals. What iron does not heal, fire heals. What fire does not heal should be considered incurable. I would like to be distinguished not by power, but by the knowledge of what is beautiful. Remember, fate depends on the ability to manage everything. With the right attitude, self-imposed limitations vanish. Death is so terribly final, while life is full of possibilities. Without knowledge, skill cannot be focused. Without skill, strength cannot be brought to bear. And without strength, knowledge may not be applied. In the end, when it's over, all that matters is what you've done.